Hey guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna make rice water toner. Rice water helps in lightening and brightening the skin. It also tightens the skin and helps in minimizing the pore of the skin. It also keeps your skin smooth and clean. So if you also want a Korean skin, then do try this out. Now to make this toner, we need some amount of rice. You can take any type of rice you want. Then wash it well so that if there is any impurities in it, it will get washed away. Then add a glass of water into it and cover it overnight. And if you are in a hurry, then cover it for 2 hours before using it. After that, extract the water in a bottle with the help of strainer. Keep it in a refrigerator to let it cool. You can use this for 5 days and then repeat the process to make a fresh one. So the first way to use this toner is just by spraying it all over your face and let it dry. You can see the glow it gives to my skin. Now the second way is to use it by soaking the cotton in it and dab it all over the face. Use it twice a day, and for the visible result, use it for 2 weeks. You can also apply this on your hand to treat the sunburn. It will definitely make your hand brighter. Do try this out guys and let me know how it helped you. Thank you.